Have you ever pondered the potency of your financial choices? How the simple act of decision-making can create waves of change that ripple through your life, offering chances to shape your destiny? Journey with me into the realm of self-credit repair. Often, this is a journey taken with guides, with mentors. But imagine if the guidance, the roadmap through the complex labyrinth of credit and worth, rested in your own hands, lit by the beacon of artificial intelligence. Picture a world where the time-honored wisdom of the ancients and the innovative insights of modern visionaries join forces. A world where knowledge breaks free of time and space constraints. This isn't a realm reserved for the gods, but a sanctuary within you, accessible to anyone brave enough to question, to challenge, to redefine. Fixing your financial narrative means reclaiming the authorship of your story, rewriting the unwritten chapters. The tools for this transformation, once hidden in the vaults of the privileged, are now laid bare for all to see, powered by the soft hum of AI credit repair. But this journey is more than just fixing what's broken. It's about unearthing the inherent power that lies in self-reliance. It's a call to wake from the sleep of dependency, to shed the shackles of tradition, and to embrace the limitless potential within you. As time's sands keep dancing their eternal dance, I invite you to question: will you follow the well-trodden path, or will you carve your own, guided by the luminary of AI credit repair? The choice is yours. The moment is now. Harness the power of self-repair. Witness the dawn of your new financial journey. Sign up today and welcome to the era of AI credit repair.